Okay, you are now almost starting the North Half Ultra race. How come you are here in Iceland?
I suppose the first step was the job that we accepted, and we always wanted to go abroad
Okay.
and experience something new. And Iceland was a country that was always of interest to us because we are very outdoorsy people. We love to hike,
Okay.
and Iceland has a lot of mountains and beautiful landscapes. So
Where are you from?
Austria,
Österrike,
yeah,
Yeah. When did you come to Iceland?
1.5 years ago.
yeah, last year in January.
Okay. So you've been taking part in some of the races this summer. What have you been doing?
Yeah, we've been to Löfveja
Yeah.
and the Puffin Run, beautiful run.
Yeah.
Öster Ultra,
yeah.
just a couple of weeks ago, and some others,
Smaller ones in
smaller
Reykjavik.
ones in Reykjavik and around Reykjavik. Yeah,
So you're almost professional runner.
yeah, sure. No, not at all. We just want to enjoy the beautiful landscape here, and I think running, particularly like trail running, is the perfect way of enjoying it.
Yeah. Did you do some trail running in Austria?
Rarely, like maybe
Yeah.
3-4 before. So
Yeah.
we basically started when we came to Iceland.
Mostly.
Okay. And you like the landscape here and the
it's-
trails?
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah,
it's
it's really
incredible.
the best one. Yeah.
Okay. Good luck. Thank you.
Thank you very much.